Well, the Supreme Court has issued an opinion in the case of a family whose push to build a new house on wetlands was said to have violated the EPA's Clean Water Act. And the justices ruled in the family's favor, weakening the water pollution law. So joining us now for more on this is CBS News legal contributor Jessica Levinson. I mean, we'll get the details, but I suppose I'm not surprised that this court ruled this way. But walk us through the opinion and the issues involved in this case.
Anne Marie, I think you're exactly right. This is a very conservative court. It's very suspicious of executive agencies and environmental protection laws like the Clean Air Act from last term or the Clean Water Act, which is, of course, what the court tackled today. So essentially, there was a couple in Idaho and they wanted to build on their land, and they started filling their land with gravel and sand, and they got in trouble for doing so because the allegation was these are actually protected wetlands. And so if you want to build on this land, you need to get a license from the federal government. This case actually has already been up to the Supreme Court. Then it went back down, back up to the court again. And it was on the question of what is defined as a wetland. And that is so important because if something is considered to be a wetland, then it's protected under the Clean Water Act. It's much harder to build on it. It's much harder for businesses, in this case, homeowners, to use it. And people can think of it almost like preserving a historic landmark. Once you say this is a historic landmark, or once you say this is a wetland, it's going to be much harder to either tear it down or build on it. So for people who are in favor of more environmental regulations, you want a really broad definition of wetlands. Today, the Supreme Court said the opposite. They said that wetlands will be considered waters that have a continuous surface connection to another big body of water. I know this might sound a little bit in the weeds, but it actually has huge implications for, can you regulate, for instance, a body of water that is to the side of the Mississippi River, but separated by a levee, for instance? And so what the court did today is basically adopt a concurring opinion from Justice Scalia, of course, because he's passed away years ago, where they really narrow that definition. And they say you have to be connected to another big body of water. It's a big win for conservatives.
That's interesting. And the other thing that I was thinking, Jessica, is like sometimes bodies of water move and change with, with the droughts or whatever. And then what does that mean for you if you're given permission to build 1 year, but then 2 years later, suddenly you're on protected land,
Well, and I think you bring up a problem that we've frankly been struggling with for a long time, which is the court hasn't given us a full definition. We've been struggling with what exactly is a wetland. And as we talked about, that initial threshold definition is so important because it tells us whether or not something will be protected under the Clean Water Act. Today, we do have a definition. As you said, there are environmental factors that can change waterways, but it's a definition that I do want people to understand. It's a significant narrowing of what is covered under the Clean Water Act.
So how does this differ from the court's decisions last term on the Clean Water Act?
Great question. Last term, when the court tackled the Clean Air Act, and Vlad, I think that you and Anne Marie and I talked about it that morning, dealing with how much the federal government could try and curb carbon emissions. It was, forgive me, but in a way, kind of a carbon copy of this decision, meaning pulling back on federal power. It was the conservative majority saying that in that case, the Clean Air Act, today the Clean Water Act, was narrower than we might have previously expected, would protect less, and would give the federal government less power and ability to implement environmental protections. Last year for the air, this year for the water. It's all part of this conservative majority being suspicious and, in some cases, hostile to the power of executive agencies, or at the very least, enlarging the power of executive agencies.
All right, Jessica Levinson, always great to have you on these important decisions. Thank you.